Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, August 13th. Just some tremendous rainfall this morning across southeastern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, central New Jersey. Many areas received more than 4 inches of rain in just 3 or 4 hours' time. All kinds of roadways were washed out or flooded for a couple of hours this morning, right during the morning rush hour, and those problems continue at this hour. In fact, this is the latest NOAA map of flash flood warnings. They extend all the way from the Harrisburg area into the southern and central part of New Jersey. These are not only areas where it continues to rain, but areas where the rain has pretty much let up, but it's just residual effects from the deluge that occurred over the last few hours. Again, many areas received more than 4 inches of rain. And of course, Philadelphia has already had its wettest summer on record. That's June, July, and August. This just adds to those tremendous rainfall amounts that have occurred over the past couple of months. Here's a current look at the radar loop from the Penn State Ewald site, and the worst is over across southeastern Pennsylvania. In terms of the heavy rainfall, all that heavy rainfall now is across central New Jersey into the New York City region. It will continue there for the next couple of hours. Still some showers on the backside here across southeastern Pennsylvania and even farther to the west, associated with the cool frontal system that is approaching the East Coast, and big changes on the way. That cool front brings in some lowering humidity type of air overnight tonight, cooler by morning, and a spectacular air mass is about to move in to the northeast, the mid-Atlantic region, the Great Lakes for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and it looks like the comfortable conditions will continue right into the upcoming weekend. Well, here's a look at the current U.S. surface map, and again, this cool frontal system right here is pretty much the culprit for all this heavy rain. A couple of low pressure areas have formed along these frontal boundaries here, and the heavy rain, the worst of the rainfall now into New Jersey, New York City region. Still a few showers and thunderstorms back across Pennsylvania and the western and central parts of Virginia and Maryland, but the worst of the torrential rainfall has moved into New Jersey and towards the New York City region. Some heavy rainfall also headed up to New England, but all of this will be swept out of here by tonight and especially by tomorrow, as this strong Canadian high pressure takes over for some spectacular weather on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Well, let's take a look at a couple of forecast maps. This is from the very latest 12Z NAM, North American Mesoscale Model Run for this evening. By this evening, the cold front will be off the East Coast. Drying conditions already evident in the Mid-Atlantic region. It'll certainly be humid throughout much of the day, but the humidity will drop in the overnight hours, and it'll turn cooler by morning as this strong high-pressure area starts to edge its way into the northeastern part of the country on noticeable north to northwest breeze setting up late tonight and continuing on the day Wednesday. Here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning. By this time, that high edges a little bit to the east, and again, northwest flow bringing in very comfortable air for this time of the year, not only for tomorrow but for Thursday and Friday as well. Let's jump ahead to tomorrow evening's forecast map. And here it is for Wednesday evening. High pressure sitting pretty much on top of the Mid-Atlantic region and the eastern part of the Ohio Valley. Comfortable conditions, great sleeping weather coming for Wednesday night and Thursday night, and all of this looks like it'll last right into the weekend with, again, just some terrific weather for the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday time period, especially for the middle part of August. August has started off cooler than normal up and down the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, and the next few days will bring those numbers even lower, as we'll be well below normal for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But we had to suffer through some torrential rainfall this morning before we get to the very nice weather expected for the second half of the weather. That's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.